Hello everybody, welcome to our channel BR Spoken English. In this video, we are going to learn one of the most important discourses, that is notice. Let's now learn how to write notice effectively and score maximum marks in the exams. This is a very important video. Watch it till the end. You will definitely score maximum marks for notice in the exam. Firstly, you need to think smart. That is, don't go to the question and answer directly. There are many more things to learn before the question and the answer. Let's see what they are. Firstly, let's see the definition of notice. Notice is simply a formal means of communication, that is, conveying information, especially to a group of people. And here we have the layout of notice. Remember, before the question and the answer we are learning this layout. That's a very important. So layout means parts and how those parts are arranged. And to remember this layout easily, we want to study this code, that is notice layout code. IND, that is the short form of India, and TCs, that is ticket collectors, send. And here erase the letter E. So we got IND, TCs, send without E. Here I stands for institution name, and you can also add place. N stands for notice, that is you want to write the spelling of notice in capital letters. And D stands for date. T stands for title. You want to suggest a title according to the question. C stands for content, that is the matter. We will see it in the model notice. S stands for SD. SD means SIGNED, signed, short form. S stands for, this is second S, it stands for signature. And N stands for name, means who is drafting this notice, his name. And D stands for designation. Designation means, here we can say like this, principal or chairman of something, that is position. And here let us take a look at the marking scheme, how the marks are awarded to your notice in the exams. Firstly, showing the context, that is what is that occasion, you must mention it in the content of the notice. And using appropriate layout, we have discussed the layout just now. Follow that layout, you will definitely score maximum marks. And using persuasive language, that is convincing language. Organization of ideas, in the content of the notice you have to organize all the ideas in a proper manner. And well formed sentences, proper sentence formation is also a big need to score maximum marks for notice in the exam. And here in the content you must mention these 5 W's. So what are those 5 W's? Firstly, what is going to happen, that is event, context, occasion. And the second one is where it will happen, that is venue, place. When it will happen, that is date and time. So the occasion and where is that occasion going to happen, and when that occasion is going to happen, and who can apply or eligible for it. Suppose the notice is meant for job, then who can apply for it or who are eligible for it, that is participants, not only for the sake of job, for any contest. Whom to contact or apply to, that is issuing authority. We will see all these points in the content of the notice. And here we have the model notice. Imagine you are Vijay, the captain of your school cricket team. An inter-school cricket tournament is going to be held next week. Draft a notice inviting the players for team selection. Use the following. This is called input. This plays a very important role in scoring maximum marks. 5 W's. You have to include all those 5 W's discussed just now, and proper organization of ideas. In this way, the input can be given and it can be different from question to question. And here we have the answer. Firstly, we should mention the institution name and place. So we have institution name Kalam High School, comma Hyderabad. You should use all capital letters for this entire line, and you have to imagine and mention the school name and place. Suppose some specific school name is given, you have to mention that specific name of the school given in the question. And the second part is nothing but notice spelling. Use capital letters for that spelling. And number 3, we have the date. Write the date officially like this. Don't write 24-09-2021. You should mention the month. Begin the month name with a capital letter and put a comma between month and year. And here comes the title. Team selections. According to the question, you have to suggest a suitable title, and you must use capital letters. And here we have the content of the notice. This is the heart of notice. This part decides your score. It would be delighted to intimate the cricket team that the Lions Club is organizing an inter-school cricket tournament. See, here we are mentioning the context. Next week, see, clearly given even the time. So all the players are instructed to gather at the school playground tomorrow at 4 p.m. The head coach will select the well-balanced team. Practice sessions will start soon. In this way, in a very simple way, you want to mention this content of the notice. And you can also mention this line for further details, that is, for more details, you may contact the head coach. And here we have SD, that is the short form for signed. And this is the signature. Vijay, it is clearly given, imagine you are Vijay. So the signature and the name should be written in capital letters. Issuing authority, see, this is the issuing authority, and captain, this is the designation. And you have to keep this designation inside brackets. And you have to put your entire notice inside a box. In this way, in a very simple way, you can draft a notice and score maximum marks in the exams. So thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Mask up, stay safe.